Mr. Pung. This is a device that can handle even very serious pipe clogging in seconds. Mr. Pung will eliminate the need to buy expensive products, waiting for them to work, or wasting your time using a plunger. The tool fires a carbon dioxide charge that pushes through the debris stuck in the pipe. Mr. Pung is reusable though, and you only need to change the gas cartridges periodically. It's noteworthy that the device is equally effective in dealing with clogged pipes of various shapes without directly damaging the pipes themselves. You can buy it for about $50. Tooth shower. A toothbrush alone can't properly clean the entire mouth. Dentists recommend flossing, but it makes the cleaning process longer and more inconvenient. Tooth shower is a universal device designed specifically to solve this problem and give you a whole new dental cleaning experience. At first glance, it's a compact, sophisticated dental irrigator. However, the developers have equipped it with 3 different modes, so that it can brush teeth, massage gums, or act as a direct irrigator. In the brushing mode, the device is equipped with a double head brush in the form of a fork. The bristles touch either the upper and lower row of teeth or the outer and inner surface of the teeth at the same time. In the irrigator mode, the device reaches places in the mouth that can't be reached with a toothbrush. The massage attachment stimulates the blood flow to the gums, strengthening them, but it also performs its function very gently. It's noteworthy that the tooth shower is mounted on a wall in the shower and is connected to the common water supply. Thus, it doesn't take up space at the sink, and you can be splashing water around during the procedure. The water temperature as well as the pressure of the jets is adjustable. Note that there is a container inside the device that can be filled with mouthwash. The tooth shower can be purchased for $129. Wagner Control Pro. This is a revolutionary machine for airless spraying of paint, varnish, and other liquids. Wagner's Control Pro allows you to spray a wide variety of surfaces, horizontal, vertical, and other complex shapes. Its range of application is almost unlimited. The tool is suitable for painting walls, ceilings, furniture, window and door frames, and radiators. It can also be used by people whose work is not directly related to construction. For example, carpenters, with the help of the Wagner Control Pro, will be able to apply a layer of protective coating on wood. And of course, the device is suitable for coating metal with anti-corrosion agent. It's noteworthy that the technology of airless spraying guarantees a uniform layer of paint. There'll be no stripes or streaks on the surface. The manufacturer offers several models of the device. They'll have the same set of functions, but slightly different performance characteristics. The Pro 170 uses 1.25 litres of paint per minute. The Pro 150 paint consumption is 1.1 litres per minute. The cost of the first one is $430 and the second one $280. V-Ray. In today's world, sterilizers are becoming increasingly popular, so manufacturers are striving to make them more compact, convenient, and user-friendly. The South Korean company PrimeTech, for example, presented the universal sterilizer V-Ray, capable of destroying 99.9% of bacteria in just 5 seconds. Its price is $189. Interestingly, the developers provided the device with a safe mode. This means that it emits ultraviolet light only if the lamp is directed downwards, i.e. to the object to be decontaminated. If the device turns over, it will automatically turn off to prevent other objects from being irradiated. V-Ray can be used to decontaminate electrical appliances such as smartphones, cutlery, and any other items. A certain advantage is the fact that the weight of the sterilizer is only 495 grams, and it's also wireless. That is, it's possible to destroy germs on any surface. Just put the sterilizer to the surface and hold for 5 seconds. Elicto Annis. On the screen you can see a unique device that combines a powerful vacuum cleaner and an effective cleaning mop. Elicto Annis is lightweight, compact, and can make the process of cleaning your home easier and faster. It effectively cleans any hard surfaces in the house, from tiles to laminate. The powerful vacuum sucks up debris and the rotating soft pads wipe away the liquid. The unit also uses airflow to break up the dirt into small particles, which are then easily sucked in. Note the presence of 2 wheels in the back of the cleaning nozzle. Thanks to them, the Elicto Annis easily rolls on the floor, and the person needs to make less effort to clean. The innovative wet and dry vacuum cleaner also saves time, because you don't have to vacuum first and then mop the floors. Both of these procedures are performed simultaneously. Elicto Annis costs $350. Kitchen sink shroom and ultra tub shroom. Conventional sink strainers have a comfortable but still not ideal design. As soon as they're filled with leftovers or other debris, they stop draining. In addition, if the plates cover at least part of the drain, the strainer also prevents the normal flow of water. The kitchen sink shroom is a strainer that doesn't have these drawbacks. It only costs $19, but continues to drain water even if the sink is filled with plates. The kitchen sink shroom has a smooth surface, so it's very easy to clean, but effectively eliminates the risk of clogging. Another device from the same manufacturer is the Ultra Tub Shroom, which is designed to facilitate the maintenance of the bathroom or shower. Thanks to its unique design, it effectively collects all the hair without letting it clog the pipe, but doesn't prevent it from flushing out the water. You can buy a set of strainers for $25. Tersa Steam. Here's a device that, according to the manufacturer, is the world's first fully automatic system that attaches to the wall and allows you to bring clothes into perfect condition in just 10 minutes. Tersa Steam will help people who hate ironing, but don't want to wear wrinkled clothes. In fact, the device has a box with a door, the outer part of which is attached to the mirror, thus it doesn't take up too much space in the room and protrudes from the wall only 15 centimeters. And from the side looks like the most ordinary wall mirror. When you need to iron an item of clothing, you just need to hang it on the hanger and put it inside the Tersa Steam. The only thing left to do is wait. The system flattens the fabric, deodorizes it, and even dries wet clothes. Before you start the device, you need to put a special capsule in it. It determines the smell of clothes after processing. The manufacturer offers several different options, such as vanilla, spring breeze, lavender, and several others. Tersa Steam is suitable for almost all things in the wardrobe, from outerwear to underwear.